Hello everyone. Last time, due to the internet connection problem, our bootstrap stopped working and the page design is like this, and now my internet is working, and if I refresh it and our page works correctly now, and there is no empty cart here, and if I add items into our cart, then you can see that there is empty cart option. Okay, so the implementation is like this. If cart.cartProduct underscore set dot all exist, we can see this empty cart option. Okay, and you can now let's move to when user add items into the cart, then they want to check that items out. Okay, so let's make functionality for placing order or checkout. For that, I want to implement path checkout checkout view dot age underscore view name equals to checkout. Okay, checkout. Let's make checkout view. Let's go to the checkout view. Let's make it template view for now. I'll change it later. Okay, template underscore name equals to checkout dot html, and let's make checkout.html here. Checkout.html and extends base.html block title checkout and block, and I want to implement block content here for main content, and block here, and in this div.container class div.row div.col dash md dash, I want to write 6 here, and here I want to show our items in the cart. Okay, and for another col dash md dash 6, I want to show a form. Okay, I want to show form here. For that form, I want to name it checkout form. Okay, so there are no form elements here for now, and let's make checkout button here. Okay, and in my cart I want to add another row. Okay, and in that row I want to write a tag checkout, and here I want to use checkout URL ecom_checkout. Okay, so let's check it. Here is a checkout button, and similar condition is there. If you see product, then only you can check out the product. Okay, check out the cart. Okay, so if cart is empty, you cannot check out. So let's add item into the cart, then when you visit the cart, you can see this checkout button, checkout link. I want to make it like a button plus btn dash info, and it will be little better. And for checkout, whenever user go to checkout, they will see items in the cart first and the checkout from here. Okay, for items in the cart, I want to copy this table. Okay, copy this table, this much content. Okay, go to our checkout, and in here I want to remove this action. I want to end tr here, and I want to end for tag here, also tbody tag, and also table end tag. Okay, so let's see what happens. There is table but no items in there, and I want to send items in the checkout. So def get context data self and quarks. Context variable should be equal to super.get context data quarks, and return context. And here first of all I want to find that cart id from session self.request.session.get cart id, and if nothing is found, none. If cart id, I want to get that cart object like this, and cart.objects.get id equals to cart id, and after that I want to write else condition here, cart object equals to none, and I want to send that into my front end or HTML page. Cart object. Okay, you can get cart object there, and now if you refresh it, then here is one laptop. There is no action here, and I want to show the total here. After the for loop, there is a tr tag. In tr tag I want to show total, and I want to give code span of 4, and bootstrap class text dash write. Okay, and if you go to another cart.total, you can show cart.total res cart.total. Okay, so if you refresh the page, then total value is shown here, subtotal. And if you I want to place another link here, items in the just behind items in the cart. Okay, update cart here. So to URL ecom app colon my cart. Okay, to update cart, everyone should go to my cart page. Okay, so you can clearly see here, if someone go to checkout, then and he should add the quantity to 2, so we should go to update cart section, increase the item, and then come to checkout. Okay, and here you will see checkout form after some time. Okay, so let's go to our checkout. Let's go to make our checkout form, and we can say that checking out is same as placing order. Okay, so there are some fields: order by, shipping address, mobile, email, subtotal, and discount, and other fields are there. And I want to leave some fields as it is, and I want simple approach. First of all, you can also use HTML form like this, input, type text, etc, but I don't want to use them. I want to use Django form. So let's make forms.py in our ecom app. In that forms.py, we import from Django import forms, and also I want to import the model from .models import order. Okay, and after that I want to make a form class, checkout form or order form, you can name whatever you want. This is forms.model form, forms.model form class meta model equals to order and fields equals to, you have to provide list here which you want to show in the form. First of all, you want to show order by in your forms.by dir order underscore by in the string, then order by shipping address mobile email you should not show subtotal, discount and other thing in the form, okay? And I think they are all together. And let's go to our views. I want to modify this checkout view. First of all I want to import create view here. You can also use form view there, but I'm using create view. This is generic view, and in this view what you should do is to inherit create view instead of your template view, and few more attributes here. Form class equals to checkout form and success URL is the URL which we have to redirect after the successful form submission, okay? Let's make success URL to our home page for now, okay? Reverse underscore lazy. I want to use my URL pattern here. Become a colon home, okay? So first of all, here error is in undefined variable reverse lazy and undefined variable checkout form. So we did not import form here. From dot forms import checkout form, okay? And also I want to import from Django dot URLs import reverse lazy. Okay, now everything is working fine, I think. No, there is a order by unknown fields. I have to check it in model. Ordered by, okay, there is ordered by, here is ordered by, so let's change it ordered by. Now I think let's run it our server once, and it's working. And if you go to checkout page, you haven't seen the form, and now the form is already sent to our HTML page since we implemented create view here. Form is already in the in our HTML page, and we have to show it like this, okay? Let's go to our form page. Here is, first of all, inside our form we have to define method of the request, okay? After we submit the form, then it should request our backend using post method, okay? Then in post method we have to implement csrf token here, and after that we want to show form here, and after the form is shown, then we want to show button here to place order. To submit the form we need a button, and let's check it. Here is a form, we are saying it, and but I want to show the form it's paragraph, okay? Let's see it. Order by, shipping address, mobile number and the email address we need. And there is a button. I want to make this button more beautiful. Class btn dash info, okay? btn dash info, and you can style this form element also, and I don't want to do it now. I want to make my work simple. First of all, whenever we place these orders, like I entered this information, if I check it out, then there will be not null constraint field, that is subtotal is required. There are many required field which are to be filled before we go to place an order. Okay, so some fields are taken from this form, but other many fields are still waiting for value. Okay, so let's go to form valid method. We can use post method also, but form valid is also a type of post method which is available in form view, create view. Okay, so I want to use form valid method, and this will return super dot form. There is no quarks. Okay, there is a form underscore valid form, and here first of all I want to get some value. First of all I want to get the cart object. To get cart object, I want to get cart ID first from the session self.request session dot get is the this get is the way of getting value of the key from the dictionary. Okay, and I want to give here cart ID because my session variable name which stores my cart ID is cart underscore ID, and if cart ID exists, I want to get that cart object cart dot objects dot get ID equals to cart ID. Okay, and if cart ID exists, then first of all I want to first of all if it is not available, cart ID is not available, I want to return redirect to my ecom app colon where home. Okay, and I believe the cart ID is present there, and let's our cart object is also available now, and we need to see what things are required. There is order by which is available from the form, shipping address is also available from the form, mobile and email is also available from the form, but we have to manage these values. Okay, first of all cart is available, and I want to do form dot instance is the form instance, and which will be saved in the database, and new order will be created. So I want to provide form dot instance dot cart equals to, I want to provide this cart value to our form is cart underscore obj. Okay, then this value is provided, and other things I want is subtotal, discount and total. Okay, form dot instance dot subtotal equals to cart obj dot total. Form dot instance dot discount equals to, for now I want to provide 0 rupees discount, and form dot instance dot total, I think total is another field here, and total is another field. This is what cart object dot total. After that we need another field, order status, and order status choice maybe order received, order processing. First of all, whenever user place order, then this would be order received. Okay, so form dot instance dot order status equals to order received. Form dot instance dot order status is equals to order received, like this. Okay, then the order object must be created now. And let's go to our admin panel here, /admin, and my username is admin, and you can go to order. There are no orders, 0 orders now. And let's go to our home page, let's view our cart, let's remove it, let's do from the beginning. First of all, I want this woman's blazer, and also I want this watch. Okay, let's view cart. I want this woman's blazer, another woman blazer. The quantity is 12,000 plus 8,000, 20,000 plus 500, 20,500. And let's go to checkout, and here my items are shown, my total values are total shown. If I want to update my cart, I want to go there, and I want to Rolex watch. Let's check out. Order by Deepak Nirola, shipping address Belbari 1, Morang, Nepal, Naxalbari. Okay, mobile number, I want to place my mobile number here, and my email is this. I want to place the order. Now I think my order is created. There is no success message here, and let's refresh it. There is one order. You can clearly see cart 3 is related to that to this order by Deepak Nirola, and admin can see the order information here. This and the status is order status. Okay, so this is the simple checkout view. And one thing we have forgot: when I placed the order, the cards would not be shown here. Okay, so I want, whenever the order process is complete, I want to delete the session. Okay, self.request.session, and my session variable is cart id. Okay, I want to delete that, and for now it will give me error. Okay, if I check this out, it will give me error. You can see that unique constraint failed, because we have implemented one-to-one relationship for cart and order. Cart and order is related to one-to-one relationship, and one order is already made by that cart. I want to delete this for now. I want to delete it, and I want to go to my view cart. Okay, I have this cart, I have deleted since error occurred. And if I check out place order, then you can see that there is a order 2, and everything is same here. And when you view your cart, there is no cart. Okay, whenever you add items, then you can see cart here. Whenever you check them out, place order, another order is placed. You can see 2 orders here. Okay, so in this session, what you have learned is to make a model form here. Model form, that is, whenever someone submit this form, it will be saved in our database as order object. Okay, and you send that form into your checkout.html page using this create view. Create view sends that form. Whenever create view receives data, it will save your form. Okay, and here this get context data is used to send the cart information to your checkout page to show items, and this form valid method is used to handle form fields. And here some fields were incomplete, and we have added the value using form.instance.field name. Okay, form.instance.cart, form.instance.subtotal, etc. Thanks for watching. This much for now, and if you have any confusion about this, you can write comment here, and I will be happy to answer you. And if you and in the next tutorial I will show you how to use user registration login and checkout. Thanks for watching. Bye.